as you mentioned there, that we're seeing some tips into the green there for the major indices. As we can see there, we're going to take a look with Jared Blikre in just a second there, but all three major indices now have eked into positive territory. Let's break some of that down and take a look at what's causing that with our very own Jared Blikre at the Interactive. Jared.
That's right, and we can see the NASDAQ and the Russell 2000 each up about 87 basis points. Let's chart today's price action. You can see kind of choppy here, but when you look at what happened over the last 2 days, clearly in the bottom end of this range, still down 4%. Now, I want to take a longer-term look at the market. This is the S&P 500. Year to date, I've been showing this chart a lot, and right now we are trying to find or form another bottom. The bottoming is a process. However, a growing chorus of Wall Street analysts do not believe that this has much potential. I'm thinking we might, if we're lucky, get something like this, maybe terminate around this area. Up here, we'll have to see what happens. Now, if everything kind of shakes out today and Monday, or excuse me, today, tomorrow, and Monday, we don't have any more Melvin Capital's closing shop here. I think we do have the potential to get that. If we get more downside price action, especially another 4 or 5% down day, that's going to spell trouble for more funds. I think that's down the road, but we'll have to see how all of this plays out. Now, just quickly taking a look at the VIX, this is still chopping around in a range here. You can see it, you can see it's below 30. Taking a look at the bond market, a little bit pressure coming off there. 5-year T-note yield off 4 basis points. The 10-year at 2.86%, basically the same rate as a 5-year, and not that far off from the 30. That's also down here, but you can see very much in the upper end of the recent trading range. And then we're going to take a look at the U.S. dollar in a second here, but just wanted to show that it is down as well. Looking at the sector action, we see most things are in the green, led by materials and consumer discretionary, also energy. All of those up more than 1%, guys.
All right, Jared, we got a quick glimpse at the dollar there. You want to take us back and also peeking on gold.
All right, well, let's take a look at the futures market here. We can see palladium, that's up 3.5%, RBOB gasoline up 3%. Very largely, we do have rallies in place. Now, I do want to take a look at gold because gold has been depressed this year, and it's perking up just a little bit. So we have some work to do. We've kind of, I would say, broken to the upside from this downtrend channel that we have here, but we do have work to do to get back to those highs. You think about what the Fed is going to do long term. Gold usually lifts off, and when it does so with fury. So that's something that we keep in mind for the future. For now, maybe just accumulate small positions.
All right, we'll keep our eye on that, Jared. Thank you.